Are you looking to create professional ads without spending hours or stretching your budget? Or maybe you're launching a new product and don't want to spend days brainstorming and designing ads? Well, this AI tool can help you craft ads in seconds. Here's how it works. Simply grab a product link from any online store, go to adsdog.ai, paste it, and click Parse Link. Instantly, all your product details, images, videos, and features are pulled in automatically. You can also upload your own content. AdsDog will then generate 4 catchy script options for you to choose from. After that, personalize your video by selecting an avatar that resonates with your audience and pick from a variety of engaging video templates. Enhance it with catchy background music and choose your subtitle style to make it stand out. Use the editing tools to add text overlays or transitions for that professional finish, and then hit generate.
Hey fashionistas, grab this floral jumpsuit now. Luxurious polyester, soft and breathable. Flattering design with square neck and high waist.
Just visit adsdog.ai to try it for free or comment ads, and I'll send you the link.